I just want to see the baby, and I want to know it's okay. And, like, the videos I've been watching are saying, like, it now has arms and legs and, you know, sprouting, and I just want to see it. I wish it was out so I could hold it already and really be able to love it. So I got a couple burgers while I was out. I was feeling sick and they just sounded so good. But I forgot to order them the way I like them, so I kind of ate a little bit of one. I'm going to give Benny the other part. Want a burger? Do you want a burger? Tell me. Say yes, please. Okay. You gotta take a bite. You ain't papered, dum-dum. Is that good? You happy? He's like, where's the rest?
By the grace of the fire and the flames, you're the face of the future, the blood in my veins, oh, ooh, the blood in my veins, oh.